Okay, in order to remove the brake pad, first you have to remove these two nuts from the Sienna. So first thing first, remove these two nuts. This one and this one. There's two nuts here. Okay, once you loosen them, just take them out with your hand. Okay, these two nuts, put them aside. Now you're gonna take this whole assembly out. It's gonna be tight in here because the boot is. Before you forget, you want to take these out and grease them because they're very important. If they get rusted, then your whole brake system doesn't work properly. So all you need to do is pull them out. They're usually easy to take out. Like that. See, there's hardly any grease on here. So I just use some grease, not too much. Just put a little bit of grease on here. This will keep them from rusting out and not working properly. So push this back in. When you push this all the way in, the bushing, the rubber will go back on there. There we go. You don't want to put too much grease in there that this thing fills up. Now see how easily this works? Same thing with this top one. See, they're really jammed in there. They're not supposed to be so hard to take out. You put a thing on there. See, all the grease is pretty much dried out on here. It's not supposed to be like that. Okay, just put a little bit of grease on here, not too much. You need very little. Grease them up. Put it back in here. When you push it in, there we go. Make sure you clean this side off because if you don't, when you go back to tighten, this will slip. Okay, so now we did that. Now we take the pads out. See, they're almost gone. The other side was completely gone. So this is the perfect time. There's a problem here because whoever put this in before, they didn't put their screws in here. So we're missing these screws that's supposed to go in here. Somebody did these brakes and put these rotors in. They didn't put these bolts in here. So this whole thing is shit. It's not supposed to be like that. So only thing that's keeping these brake pads. So, the next time we go, we get these. You know, it's not something that you need. Okay, so this is completely gone. Okay. See, these bolts right here do not hold this pedal. It's the wheel barrel that holds it. If the wheel comes off, these bolts come off. Okay, and those are in. Same thing on this side. I'm gonna take these out. The old ones. Yes. Roll in. Put a little bit of grease on these ends. There we go. And the other side, same thing. Okay. Now, the important thing is okay, use one of these brakes like this. There we go. Right there.